All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, there's another strong one reaching out still on the matter. Well, onto this one, the Supreme Council for Sharia in Nigeria, SCSN, has said that they regret supporting the Muslim ticket, and then have announced the withdrawal of their support from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's government. All right, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one. No, we have said it times with that number. It will get to that stage. It will get to that time. Either they like it or not, they will start coming out to expose themselves. And exactly what we are getting right now. Well, onto this one says, we have looked the president in his face and then told him that he has disappointed us. Okay, this had been said by the Supreme Council of Sharia in Nigeria. Well, onto this, according to what is going on, according to the report by Daily Trust, the council said that President Tinubu has neglected the Muslims in the country. While speaking to newsmen in Abuja during a two-day conference to discuss the outcome of the 2023 presidential election, the Secretary General of the Council, Nafiu Baba Ahmed, said that Tinubu has not kept the promises he made them, which made them to vote for him during the election. Well, Baba Ahmed said that those who were not in support of the Muslim ticket have been elevated to spite them, and then that this is not the reward they asked for. He said, according to the statement, I quote, "We are bitterly disappointed because we gave our all to bring this government on board, but they are paying us back this way. In this, the kind of reward Is this the kind of reward we bargained for? Okay, they have elevated opponent of the Muslim ticket to mock us. In the same manner, they are frustrating everything that will advance the cause of Islam or anything that is promoting the interest of Muslims. Well, we've truly regretted that we voted in this government. We've looked the president in his face and told him that he has disappointed us Muslims. All right, my brother, my sister, yes, this is another strong one I think everybody needs to be vigilant about. Well, one thing we have said all the time has been that no matter what you know, what you believe in, no matter how much the level you believe you get, but God is bigger than every enemy of our soul, either they like it or not. And exactly what we are talking about, look at it right now. They wanted to change the whole thing to themselves alone, and a lot of people are still reacting right now that yes, so this is God in action. God will never sleep. Oh, you wanted to turn the country to a Muslim thing so that you can be able to deal with Christian, and right now God is not sleeping. This is now to tell everyone out there, as far as this country is concerned, as far as this so-called Emilocon movement is concerned, this set of people did what they did just to favor themselves, just to go against Christianity, just to deal with Nigerians. But God is bigger than them, and then in no time, either they like it or not, they are coming down. They can never escape this. And exactly what we are talking about, either you think you are there, if they had earlier thought that by the time this Muslim ticket of 18 gets there, they will be able to deal with Nigerians, they will be able to deal with Christians. But God is bigger than them. It will never work for them. So a lot of people have reacted in different forms. What is interesting about Sharia Council in the first place, Tinubu must abide by that you people are talking about. Well, according to what is going on, the man Tinubu is not a Christian, in case you don't know. According to what is reaching us, it has been made clear that the man Tinubu himself is not even a Christian nor a Muslim, but an occultic man, which is why he can never have sympathy or feelings for Nigerians. Well, I wish the senseless, miserable, tribal, religious morons are wiser before now. So let everyone tighten its seatbelt and then get ready for another journey of APC, our local Muslim ticket. Okay, well, my brother, my sister, you got that for yourself. That's what we are talking about now. They even thought the same Bola Ahmed Tinubu is even a Christian. And now with the news that had reached us, it had made it clear that this man Tinubu no be Christian, nor even Muslim at all. Anyhow, people now don't try to say now one deal with some the other part of the religion. But right now, you are forgetting that the same God who created that religion, the same God that those people are creating, are serving, is the same God who created you people. Then why do you want to fight the people? Don't forget, don't get it twisted. If you think you are fighting the people, no, you are fighting God, and exactly what we are talking about. All right, and then right now, a lot of people have reacted in different forms. As far as this regime is concerned, my brother, my sister, everybody needs to wake up. No, I've said it times to that number, except until we are able to have one voice, which is when we are able to tell ourselves the truth. The way we are going right now, it's only God that will help us. Look at what is going on right now. Dollar is now 1,360 naira. Are you getting it? Dollar is now equivalent to 1,360 naira. My brother, my sister, what does that tell you? Where are we going right now? That's exactly what we are talking about. Yeah, so either you like it or not, keep playing, keep lying, keep deceiving yourselves, but the truth is already coming out. Now only we self they do ourselves, and exactly what we are saying right now. God will continue to expose them one after the other. Well, even though you bring your colonial master Usman Dan Fodio, the plan will still be disappointed, bro. No peace for the wicked mind. Somebody will always be thinking and then sleeping like a wild animal. Just they play. Tell us the plan, and then how did Tinubu disappoint Muslim? Tell us what was the promise. So Tinubu is not a religious person. Una use Shetima robe his head thinking your stupid plan will not work. Thinking your stupid plan will work. Well, it will not work. You are always a failure. Go to mosque and then practice religion, and then not in the politics. All right, this has been said by Kenneth J. Kennelly. All right, my brother, my sister, a lot of things are being exposed right now. We already know all these things. That is why we are always calling everyone, wherever you are, try as much as possible to always tell the truth, because this will not take us anywhere. If you are trying to go against ourselves, a lot of people have been playing politics, and this same politics has not done any good. I don't understand why this set of people will even in the first place think that God will just keep quiet. Don't you know God is not sleeping? God will not sleep on this matter, and exactly what we are talking about. If you are out there, you are one of those people who have been saying, oh, I can deal with this one, don't worry, I know how to deal with that person. You are forgetting that person you are trying to deal with is anointed of God. And exactly what we are talking about. God is not sleeping, and then right now they will continue to be exposed. Either they like it or not, they will continue to be exposed. They will never escape this. God is bigger than every enemy of our souls. Yeah, so we expected this Muslim ticket of 18 to even do a better thing for the people. We expected that, oh, okay, fine, you should have used this your Muslim ticket of 18 to make sure things get better in the country, but the reverse had been the case. And then right now, God in heaven, the Almighty God, has shown to them that He is bigger than them, He is better than them, and He is in charge. That's exactly what we are talking about, my brother, my sister. This is so strong. Meanwhile, my people, let me hear your own take on this one, and then remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.